Fastest way to lose belly fat for women. The fastest way to lose belly fat for women is to modify your diet and do the combination of cardio and strength training exercises that make you lose weight all over. That's because fat gets stored in the tummy first and the stomach is the last place it comes off. Women who are otherwise fit all over may feel a little self-conscious in a bikini. So, the fastest way to lose belly fat is to realize that you've got to get into perfect shape. There is no one specific exercise that will make you lose your stomach if you are 20 pounds overweight. Sit-ups and crunches will help strengthen the muscles in the area, but do nothing to burn the fat. And, belly fat is, at its core, fat. The only way to lose fat is to eat fewer calories than you burn. So, one element in the fastest way to lose belly fat is to come up with a healthy eating plan. This is an eating plan for life, not some fad diet. When you yo-yo in weight, you actually compound the stomach fat problem because you lose weight in other areas but you put it back on in the stomach area first. So, making a change in your diet on a permanent basis is key. You're developing a lifestyle, not going on a temporary diet. Your diet needs to be concerned not only with the total number of calories but the kinds of calories. You need to take in at least 1 gram of protein per day for every pound you weigh. You also need some fat in your diet. A diet of 30 hours 20 minutes and 50 seconds in the ratio protein, fat, carbohydrates makes a lot of sense for an overweight woman who wants the fastest way to lose belly fat. Fish oils are the best kind of fat for this purpose. Next up is your training program. The fastest way to lose belly fat is by doing both weight training and cardio exercises. A study of overweight women showed that women who alternated between cardio and strength training every other day lost significantly more fat in their stomachs than women who relied on aerobics alone. The best way to do aerobic exercise is high-intensity interval training. This is where you do a 2-minute burst of activity at the most intense level you are capable of doing, followed by 3 minutes of moderate activity. Repeat the cycle. You will also want to track your progress. Not only will you be encouraged to see your belly fat decreasing, but if you stall or go up, you will be able to correct the problem quickly. It is a good idea to take your body fat measurements every 2 weeks. The fastest way to lose belly fat is to develop good lifestyle habits. Once you lose the weight, your belly fat will come off. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and for more video like this please click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.